WDSU first warning weather, and we've had several days in a row of heat advisories, weather impact days, but starting to find an end to it. However, it's going to come with the increase of rain chances, and then we're getting into quite the stormy pattern. Doppler radar around the region tonight, two clusters of storms. Panhandle, Texas, Oklahoma. We got southwestern Kansas. We got another cluster of storms here. Two little systems wrapping around kind of the jet stream that's driving on through here. There's not much to it here. Really effectively, it'll be the front associated with the bigger and larger system driving through that enhances our rain chance and truly breaks the heat. You can see that right here. 94 tomorrow, still heat advisory and a weather impact day, but we're just below heat advisory criteria on Thursday. Rain chances tick up, but look what happens to 88 as we have a great bet that we're going to get some showers and storms starting Friday through the weekend, and this may last well into next week. Top temps today, 93 here officially in New Orleans, 95 to Slidell. These are real-time temps, some 80s, some 70s, of course, warmest around the lake, where that water temp is about 85 now on Lake Pontchartrain. 91 is what it feels like still at Lakefront, and 92 officially here in New Orleans. So the bigger picture yet again, you can start to see that we've got this front that I just mentioned. That will be the one that finally drives down, enhances rain chances. What I want to point out, though, here is that typical showers and storms tomorrow. But there's going to be a system that starts to develop here and spinning around, and that will also help to enhance rain chances next week. But that front first will bring us the storm chances up as we get into Thursday evening. About 76 North Shore to get up tomorrow morning, 77 South Shore, 78 Belle Chase. Boothville, how about you at 79 to get started? We've got widely scattered storms, giving it about a 60% chance tomorrow. It's a little bit better than 50-50. Look at that cluster forecast by Wednesday evening. Then we're through by the nighttime hours to a high of 94. And again, it still feels like 108 to maybe 110, and that's heat advisory criteria, another weather impact day. Want to note that this one starts a bit earlier. It starts at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Last few it started at 11 a.m. Getting to Thursday, widely scattered storms. More in the afternoon, evening hours. Look at that. And I give it about a 70% chance of scattered showers and storms, when you should really expect the storms if you happen to be out through the afternoons into Wednesday, Thursday. Temperatures down maybe 1 or 2 degrees. We are just below heat advisory criteria. When we extend the forecast out as that front drapes right across the region, you should expect scattered showers and storms, and then bringing locally heavy rain as we go to Friday into Saturday as the front stalls across the region, a low-level risk of flooding. But storms continue as this system drives in and spins around through next week and continues to pump in storm chances one by one. We could be looking quite a bit of rain. That's over the course of 7 days, but that's a little underdone. We can easily get one storm to drop 3 and 4 inches of rain, but it will keep us cooler and below average, which is why I've got those 88s. Some of the best news yet, nothing in the Gulf, nothing in the Caribbean Basin. How about we take a look at what happens in the greater Atlantic Basin too? And yeah, the tropics have been awfully quiet, and some long-range forecasts will update Thursday tell us we may get through the entire month of July without another system. So impact day tomorrow for the heat advisory. Storms starting to ramp up Thursday evening. Stormy weather through the weekends and next week. We'll have to keep the rain gear all with us all that time.